My name is Grace Ross. I'm a production group leader in the body weld area. When I started back in 2006, I kind of shied away from some of the tougher jobs, but I was fortunate enough that I had a management team that treated me not as a female team member, but as a team member. After I gave myself the chance to try, I was actually one of the better team members in my area, and I was proud to say that.
I am Inga Braithwaite, Assembly Trim Manager. The women at this plant have a sense of pride. We're excited, we're not intimidated by the truck, we're not intimidated by the environment because we know we're contributing to the environment. We're contributing to the product and the problem solving.
My name is Diana Maldonado. I'm a body weld specialist here at TMMTX. I've been here for 2.5 years. This is where I just fell in love with engineering. Women here take such pride in their work in building quality trucks. And I think that's my favorite, is just seeing how much passion everyone has and how we are such a great team.
I think we look beyond the truck and we focus on the teamwork and we work together. Every vehicle that comes down the line, we treat it with a special care and concern because we have our customers, their family and their friends and their loved ones in mind. And I wish people knew the level of detail we put into every vehicle. Here at Toyota, we build a product, but we care about the people.